gotta drill some holes in the acrylic because this was the thing that was glued in here to hold the old rocker switches. So, best we could do without redesigning the wheel. We gotta change the trim tab pump solenoids. One of them went bad, and I tried to put in these cheap Amazon ones right before their trip, and they failed immediately, so we had to order the good ones. So we're gonna pull the pump out, put the nice good ones in there, and clean all this Bahamas shuffleness out of here.
They gotta turn them all on?
Just the house. Just the house.
It's the far one, right?
Just the house.
Yeah, okay. Did we try it?
Yeah, try it.
Yeah, I'll try it.
Try it. It works.
It's broken.
It works.
Do it, Tony. They're going up now. That's it, they're up.
Now,
Yeah, okay.
do you want me to change the other solenoids? They work?
Turn all the batteries on. You did? Yeah.
I have the head unit in the van.
Screwy.
It is screwy. The life cock? I'm serious. The life cock is the best stuff to work with. 5200 gets everywhere.
Right.
Life cock. Life cock's the schnitzel.
Shit. Like cost the shit.
The most.
I just start to act like man. Fuck. What size do I need? Like 4-inch?
Oh, there you go. Like this much longer.
6-inch. Okay, man. Just fixing more junk again.
So we're doing a few things on this boat, but he's had this problem where as soon as he gets over 4,000 RPM, this engine shuts down. So we're checking fuel pressure at the high pressure pump, well, after the high pressure pump, to see if it's delivering enough pressure. also, it was run out of fuel, so it must have sucked up a bunch of stuff. So we changed all the filters and it's still doing it. So we're gonna check pressure and probably have to change the fuel pump. That'll be $1,000. Yeah, hammer it. Yeah, just don't go 70. Just get on plane, it'll be alright. Yep.